Hello, my name is Vishal Duck. So today is my topic is the digestive system from the subject human anatomy and physiology. So the digestive system contains many parts like esophagus, then stomach, then the small intestine, large intestine, then rectum. So I'm going to explain these parts one by one. So the first part of the digestive system is esophagus. So first, when we take the bite of a food, then it gets transferred or engulfed in the esophagus. So the esophagus contains some type of muscles which can do peristalsis, or we can say contraction and relaxation thing. So when the bite or the bowl formed by the eating, so that small bite get of the food get transferred through the esophagus through the movement of alternate contraction and relaxation of esophagus, because esophagus contains special types of muscles that alternately contract and relax. It helps to transfer the food or transfer the food to the stomach. So when food gets transferred from esophagus to the stomach, so stomach contains the HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, which helps in the degradation of the food we which we have engulfed. So when the food reaches in the stomach through the esophagus, it gets degraded through by the hydrochloric acid, which have a pH 2 point near 2.4. Then the food is degraded by the acid in the stomach. Then the between the esophagus and the stomach there is a sphincter is present, which blocks the reflux of the food into the esophagus. It is known as esophageal pyloric sphincter. Then from stomach, the food is transferred into the small intestine. Now, small intestine have small structures on the surface, inner surface, that is known as villi, microvilli. This microvilli helps in the absorption of the molecules from the food like vitamins, proteins, minerals. So when food get transferred from stomach to small intestine, it get the main ingredients or the main molecules which are needed for the human body get absorbed through the small intestine through the microvilli, which increase the surface area of small intestine, and which directly increases the absorption. After the small intestine, there are large intestine. So large intestines mainly absorb the water, and then the food, that is the waste material, is transferred into the large intestine. Large intestine contains three parts, that is the transverse colon, then a transverse colon, then the rectum is present. The waste material which is remainder from the food is transferred from small intestine to the large intestine. Then large intestine transfer this food from colon to the rectum to the contraction and alternate contraction relaxation process. So this food is get food not this waste food, we can say, is transferred from large intestine, rectum, through the anus, and the waste material is get extracted out. This is how the digestive system works. It starts from our mouth, and then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, rectum. So rectum is the end of our digestive system. So thank you.